Hello. This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe, it is buttermilk bun pan that I added two kinds of citrus, which is orange and lime. It is so refreshing. It is still winter outside here in Northeast BC when it's supposed to be spring already, but we know for sure that our winter always lasts until May long weekend, which is Victoria Day next week or this week, the coming weekend. Anyways, for today's recipe, as I said, it is buttermilk bun pan. It is so delish, so simple to make. It's just nice, and especially when it's warm, it's nice. But I top it with a little bit of glaze, which is with cointreau and lime. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. This is 2.5 cup of all-purpose flour with 2 teaspoons of baking powder and half teaspoon of salt to 1 teaspoon of salt. It's up to you. This is 1 cup of unsalted butter. We're just gonna cream. Then add in 1/4 cup of extra light olive oil, and then beat in 1.5 cup of sugar. Then crack in 5 eggs, or beat in 5 eggs, but 1 at a time. Now add in dry ingredients a little at a time, alternating with buttermilk, about 3/4 cup of buttermilk, and also flavoring that you want to use. It can be vanilla, lemon, lime, it's up to you. But you want to start with a little at a time of flour and ending with flour as well. Again, alternating it with buttermilk. And you want them to just mix, not overly mixed, so just to combine them. Today I'm using 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of lime juice for the flavoring. Once mixed, now we're gonna dump this batter into our greased and floured bun pan, like so, and just tap it on your countertop for 2 or 3 times, just to release a little bit of air bubbles. And then we're gonna bake it at preheated 325 Fahrenheit for at least 60 minutes. Take out cake from the oven, let it cool in the pan for ½ hour before we turn it upside down. You can serve your bun cake as is, or you can make glaze. I'm gonna make glaze for this time. This is ½ cup of icing sugar, and then I'm gonna add some lime and also some cointreau. If you have lime extract, even lemon extract would be nice as well, but I don't, so we're just gonna add a little bit of the liquid here and there so that it will make a glaze. If you have fresh lime or lemon, you can grate the skin as well. It will make it much more fragrant and tastier. You want to mix it until no lumps at all. You can add more icing sugar to make thicker glaze. So the thin or thicker glaze is up to you. If you need thicker, add less liquid or add more icing sugar. If you want thinner, add less icing sugar and more liquid. So you have to adjust yourself. How do you like to make your glaze, for how to glaze your, how thick or thin you would like the bun pan to be glazed with. Otherwise, you don't even need the glaze. And now we're just gonna drizzle it on our bun cake. So again, it's up to you how thick or thin your glaze would be. But this is so tasty. I added 2 teaspoons of the cointreau and 2 teaspoons of the lime juice into ½ cup of icing sugar.